everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. I'm Veronica and I'm a wife and mama from Las Vegas, and I share things like DIYs, decor, and mama motivation here on my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am sharing with you all the little goodies I got baby Rayanne for this year's Easter. And at the end of this video, I am sharing with you a really big giveaway that I'm so excited to be a part of, so make sure you stick around until then. If you like content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my little internet community here. We are so supportive and we have so much fun, and I just can't wait for you to be a part of it. If you are new to my channel, make sure you comment down below and introduce yourself. I love to get to know my subscribers, and I can't wait to get to know each one of you. So just a little background, my daughter is 16 months old, so she'll be just over 17 months when Easter arrives, and she is into everything. But some of her favorite things include bath time, stuffed animals, and sunglasses. So I try to incorporate all those little things that she loves, as well as other things that she could definitely utilize at this great time in her life. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is the basket that I use for her Easter basket. I picked this up last year when Pottery Barn was having a 40% off sale. So I definitely recommend waiting for a sale because they are a little pricey, but the quality is impeccable. So the basket itself is a white wicker. It's super durable and definitely worth it. And then it comes with like your choice of liner. I chose the fuzzy pink bunny and I got it customized with her name. I do plan on using this for years to come, so it was definitely worth the investment. So if you haven't already checked these out, make sure you do. So a lot of you gave me a lot of love on my Valentine's Day love basket video, and you may have noticed that in that video I did a lot of small shopping. And although I love supporting small shops, it does get a little bit on the pricier side. So for this basket, I stuck to what I knew and kind of went on more of a budget-friendly route. So I'm so excited to share with you everything I grabbed. So when I think Easter basket, the very first thing that pops into my mind is a stuffed bunny, and I love bunnies. I think they're just the cutest little thing. This year I grabbed this little cutie from Target. He is so cute. Well, I guess she maybe, I don't know. But I just loved that it had little glitter ears and a little pink bunny tail. This actually did come in multiple colors, but I love the little white one. I thought it was so stinking cute and I couldn't say no. It is the FAO Schwarz brand, and it was a little bit pricier. I think it was $14.99, but super cute and well made. So I did grab a few more items from Target. All of these were found at the Target dollar spot, and I just thought they were the cutest little things and had to be added to her basket. So the first thing that I grabbed were these little bunny sunglasses, and she just loves wearing her big heart sunglasses that we got her for Valentine's Day, so I thought she'd get a kick out of these. For only $1, you really can't beat this price. The next thing that I grabbed her are these cute little daisy headband flowers. She had a little headband like this for New Year's, and the only place I have found headbands that are actually small enough for her head is the Target dollar spot so far, so I thought these were really cute. And again, only $1, so if it gets messed up, it's not a big deal. I did grab her a couple of these little succulent plants. She loves carrying these around. They're plastic and not something that she can easily choke on, so I love these, and they're cute for decor in her room. And for only $1, that's quite the steal, and it's in a little egg. How cute is that? And the last thing from the Target dollar spot was some of this Crayola finger paint soap. Now, this is an experiment, you guys. She is little, so I'm not sure that this will actually work out, but bath time is her favorite, so I figured we would try, but I will report back if it is a complete disaster or not. But wish us luck. I know that it is meant for a little bit older kids, but she doesn't tend to eat things in the bathtub. She just tends to play with them, so I'm hoping that will be the case with this as well. The next item that I grabbed is also for the bath, and I actually picked this up at Hobby Lobby in the summer collection, but I thought they were so cute. We have the big mama duck with the floating duckies on top, so I thought that this little unicorn set was so cute and had to be added to her bath time collection. So it comes in this little netted bag, so I'll probably take those out. But it comes with 3 little baby floating unicorns and the mommy unicorn as well. So cute, and for those kids that love bath time, the perfect gift. So if you're one of those subscribers that have been around for a while, you probably know that I'm a huge fan of the AliExpress website. Although it does take a while to get here, the prices are unbeatable and they really have such a great selection of items for your little one. And when they're growing out of things so quickly, it's so hard to spend as much money as some places want. So I definitely check out AliExpress as much as I can to try and find some steals, but just keep in mind you have to shop early if you plan on getting anything because it does ship from overseas. So the first item I picked up for her are these adorable little bunny clips. They are just so cute and they'll just sit right on top of her head and she'll look like she has a little bunny coming out. I just think these are so cute. It came with one pink and one white, and I just love them so much. I just think that they are so adorable, and for a little girl they are perfect. So the next item that I picked up is an essential item for our house. We are always wearing slippers around the house, especially now that she is running around, and I needed to get her a new pair because she's grown out of all of her others. And I found these adorable little bunny slippers. How cute are these, you guys? They are just so adorable, and they have the backing on them so that they won't fall off, and they have a really good grip on the bottom just like a regular shoe. So these will be perfect for my little on-the-go babe. So I did mention before that my little one just loves wearing sunglasses. She thinks they're so much fun, and I saw these and thought they were perfect for spring, for a little flower girl, flower child. So cute. They are dark in the middle and little pink flowers. I think that for the price of, I think it was like $2.99, these are so worth it. Looking at these in little boutique shops online, they're like $7, $8, up to $20 for a pair of sunnies for little kids. So when I'm buying them for someone who's most likely they're going to lose them or break them, I go with the cheaper price, even if it takes a couple weeks to get. So the next item I picked up is from the Dollar Tree, and when I saw this, you guys, they were so cute. I could not help myself. I have no idea what I'm going to even put in it yet, but I know I'm going to do something. But I got this cute little bunny shaped gumball machine. How cute is this? I am most likely going to make her some type of like felt food to put inside because that's like our thing lately. I've been working on making some felt toys for her and she loves them. So I thought that would be a cute way to hand them over. It is a working gumball machine, and you can put candy in it, but since she's so little, we don't do sugar yet, so I thought this would be such a cute way to display some other type of toy. For every holiday, I like to get at least one book, if not more. I'm obsessed with books, being an English teacher, so I grabbed her this Itsy Bitsy Bunny book. She loves board books and flipping the pages. She also really likes lift-a-flat books and pop-up books, but for this one we just kept it simple. So I grabbed this Itsy Bitsy Bunny book from Amazon, and it is such a good deal. So I did go ahead and grab this little sippy cup with a straw. She's always wanting a taste of mommy's drink, especially if it's sparkling water. So this little cup will be perfect for that, and it is so cute and fun for Easter. I also really scored when I found these. How cute is this little stuffed Pete bunny? It's got a little hook, so I thought that would be fun for her to hang on maybe her backpack or her diaper bag. She will love this, so I thought that would be a really cute addition as well. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything I grabbed Baby Ray Ann for Easter this year. If you know me, you know I'm not done. I've got some crafting to do. I will most likely make her a shirt or some type of wand to carry around, whatever it is. I will definitely be sharing it over on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there. My handle is @SoVeryVeronica, and I post there almost every single day, some type of post, story. I give you a glimpse into our daily life and routine. So make sure you're following me over there, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below so you are a part of our little internet community. Alright guys, and for the part that I'm sure some of you have been waiting for, the giveaway details. So I just want to say thank you so much to my subscribers. I am at a little over 500, and I am so grateful for each and every one of you. So for this giveaway, we are giving away $100 to 7 different people. This giveaway is international, so everybody can join in. And to do so, all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to all 27 ladies here on YouTube. and leave your information down below in the comments so that we know you are entered. So just an email address or an Instagram handle and a little flower emoji, and that'll tell us to put you in for the drawing. So guys, there are 7 possible ways to win this cash, and that is such an awesome opportunity. Their bonus entries go from following us on Instagram, sharing to your Instagram stories, a whole bunch of different stuff for you to do. I will have all those details down below in the description box for you. Our giveaway ends on March 18th, so just make sure to check back and we will be in contact, and we are so excited. So I am so glad that you are all here and a part of my little internet community. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Make sure you look at all those giveaway rules down below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big like for me, and don't forget to say hello in the comments. I will see you all again in a few days in another one. Bye. You say that you're from